In 2026, colostrum has officially become the ultimate wellness superfood.
Today, we will be discussing about 5 health benefits of colostrum, the 2026 gut health revolution.
Benefit 1. It seals a leaky gut by repairing the delicate lining of your microbiome.
Not all brands are equal. In 2026, look for cold-processed, grass-fed sources for maximum bioavailability.
Benefit 3. Colostrum stimulates cellular repair, giving you a natural, glowing, lit-from-within skin complexion.
4. It accelerates muscle recovery and lean tissue growth, making it a favorite for athletes.
5. By healing the gut-brain axis, it clears mental fog and significantly boosts daily focus.
It's packed with antibodies that supercharge your immune system against seasonal viral threats.
Ready to upgrade your gut? Let me know your experience with colostrum and subscribe.